Let's give me a curly haircut because I desperately need one and I kind of want to cut it all off, but we'll see. First, make sure it's completely wet, and having a misting spray bottle of water is always so handy for this, so you can keep adding water when it dries during the cut. And I do a wet cut first so I can get my hair to be kind of straight, and then a dry cut at the end to refine the shape and account for shrinkage. Use hair scissors so you don't cause split ends, and a rat tail comb for precision. I already fully detangled my hair, so now I'm combing it to make sure all the lengths are stretched evenly, so when I cut it, the ends of the curls are fully blunt. Once you're done with that, find where the hair looks thinner on the ends, and that's a good guideline for where to cut so your hair is more dense. I'm starting with the pink side, and by feel, I knew this much had to go, which was about 4 to 5 inches. Then I'm bringing both sides together to make it even on the green side. Now section out your face framing pieces in a rounded triangle shape, then comb them straight while over directing towards the other side and cut where you'd like. Next, I'm doing a cut to get the longest pieces even, then over directing again and cutting to make the curls fall in a softer gradient shape and really frame my face. Then add the part above your ear and use the hair above it as a guide for where to cut. Next, I'm taking the other sections of my hair and pulling them perpendicularly from my head to make a flat cut so they are all the same length, and when they all fall on a rounded head, it makes a round shape rather than the dreaded triangle head that curly people get when their hair grows long without having layers. I'm using a cut piece and holding it up next to an uncut piece to use as a guideline to find out where I should cut. You can see that when it falls, the hair is at a diagonal to frame the face, and you can't see the layers yet, but you will when it dries. I'm making sure both sides are even and doing the same cut on the other side, and then double checking at the end to make sure it's all even. Now I'm adding gel and styling my hair, and I love this brush for definition. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to let it air dry for 5 hours. Now for the curly cut, I'm making sure that when the curls all shrink up at different lengths, that they still form the shape I'm looking for, and this side shrunk less than the other side, so I'm evening that out, and this random hair was missed, so I'm cutting that. And now I have the shape and length that I want, and it's nice and round and layered, and the ends look so much better, nice and blunt at the bottom of each curl instead of uneven, which feels better and detangles faster while also being stronger and less likely to get split ends. Hope you found this helpful.